real deal.
That's awesome.
You should have put a few more people up in the seats.
Make everybody get on.
Yeah.
That thing ain't built for speed, but she'll go anywhere.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, shithead.
Okay.
Oh, like nothing.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys can make this out, but look at those back tires. I think he just welded on angle iron.
He did.
He's gonna test her out here. Yeah, it actually did good. Yeah. Yeah, everyone else was struggling through there. We gotta go get a close-up of those later. A little ingenuity, man. Well, think about how wide they go out. Try to get a closer view here. You just choose. Holy, do those work good. No kidding. That's amazing how good that works. And if you're in the mud, it doesn't matter. Oh, does that sound nice? Woo! That was awesome. You wonder how ruts get in here. Ah.
He's like, don't fail right now.
Yeah. Just puffing. Needs to change some spark plugs. There's a guy in the hood.
Eject him off there, that'd be classic. Just hit this wide open.
Woo! Oh god. Oh god. coming uphill. Head floor delete mod.
Whoa, whoa.
They're just taking her easy.
Yeah, it's just like,
Well, now you know what you need to do for tires. Oh, it's just square tubing.
like what?
Those work very well. Wow.
No, they work awesome. It's great.
Everyone was struggling going through there. That is freaking deadly.
If you had a tractor tire or something on the front,
Just steer a little better, yeah. That thing's a beast. Oh man, that sounds good.
hello guys.
Let's go freaking run.
It's broken.
Uh-oh. Oh, I just popped out of gear.
And again, you gotta hold it in here.
Oh, you're getting hot.
Better give her a little break.
Yeah.
Oh, it started fire!
Oh my goodness, that is a big fire.
Whoa!
Oh geez, I hope someone's got an extinguisher. Oh, get out of there, get out of there, get out of there.
Jesus. Get up there.
Wow. Oh, you got an extinguisher right on. Nice work. Yeah, just overheated transmission, bubble out onto the exhaust. Wow. Jeez. Jeez. Box right full.
Box full of people.
extinguisher.
Yeah, I know. I was gonna offer my boots, they were full.
I was like, oh my God, that's a pretty big fire. I'm glad you guys both got out an extinguisher.
I put the latch, he hoofed it up, belts went.
Yeah, Jesus. Scary.
Back there?
Yeah.